In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to earn money on YouTube with a small channel. I'm going to teach you what I believe is the most effective way that small YouTubers can build income streams on YouTube. Stay tuned to the end and I'm going to give you a real life example which could be a huge opportunity for some of you if you're willing to put the work in. It's easy to look at your YouTube feed and see all of the big influencers with millions of subscribers living in dream houses, fast cars and designer pets, telling us how easy it is to earn money on YouTube, bragging about earning 20 grand whilst they take a nap. Well, for them it is easier. They've already grown their channel and are now in the momentum phase where their fortune builds and they've got the resources to employ people to improve their videos, publish them quicker and buy all the shiny things that people like to see in order to leverage even more success. It's human nature to see someone stood in front of a Lamborghini and think, wow, they must really be successful. I'm going to do exactly what they say. Each one of their monetized videos is earning passive income through adverts. But what about us? The smaller, unsung YouTubers, grinding away trying to hit much lesser milestones like our first 100 subscribers. Well, this video is for you. Watch right to the end. It's literally a few minutes of your day and by the end you'll know how to earn money on YouTube even with a small channel. If it helps you in any way then please smash the like button because each time you do a chocolate bar drops out of the sky and it keeps my kids quiet for a few minutes so I can have some peace and quiet. That said, let's dive into it. First, we need to look at the problem. Most people earn money on YouTube using adverts. What happens is that when you reach a certain amount of subscribers and number of hours watched by your viewers over a 12-month period, then YouTube allows you to apply for AdSense. If successful, then you can choose to run adverts on your videos and generate passive income. The amounts that you can earn vary. It largely depends on your niche and your audience. For example, adverts that run on a make money online niche will earn more than a cat grooming channel. And in general, videos watched by Americans and Canadians will earn more than videos watched by people in Madagascar. This is down to the fact that advertisers are more competitive and pay higher fees to audiences more likely to buy their products. The problem is that it's a lot of work to get to this point. 4,000 watched hours is a huge achievement in itself. Many creators will have given up before this point because they don't get rewarded for their efforts. In a short moment though, I'm going to show you how you can earn money on YouTube with a small channel and not rely on adverts. Why shouldn't you be rewarded in the exact same way the big creators are? We're now going to look at the options, and let's keep this brief as really there's only one way of earning money on YouTube that stands head and shoulders above the others, but for the sake of completeness let's talk about some methods. First off is merch. This is where you create designs, whether it's for cups, hoodies, t-shirts, caps. You upload them to Redbubble or another merch seller and then you add the copy and paste the links to your shop in the description. If someone buys them, you get a cut of the action. Patreon is where you create an account and your audience will make donations in order to reward you and keep encouraging you to create videos. It's like a tipping service and a way of people saying thank you. Courses. Now this is good for those of you that create tutorials. You've got the option to build your own course out and try and sell it for big money, but at this stage you may want to start a little bit smaller whilst you focus on your YouTube channel. I'd recommend uploading videos to a site such as Skillshare, who will reward you with every minute watched for your tutorials. Lastly, let's look at the answer. Now the number one way to make money as a small YouTube channel, for me, is a little thing called affiliate marketing. This strategy is actually a $12 billion industry that works in secret behind most websites that sell products and services, even the big retailers. By recommending products and services, if someone buys using your special link, you receive a commission as a reward. It's a referral system that's used to reward digital marketers, content creators, influencers, old people, young people, big people, little people, from anywhere in the world. And it doesn't matter what your channel is about, there's likely a product, service, course, software, or device that you can use that will make their lives easier. Your job is to show how that particular thing genuinely helps you and can help other people too. For example, if I tell you all about these new shoes that I've just bought and how I can jump higher, run faster, and all the girls' heads turn when I wear them, you may think, whoa, I've got to get myself some of those, and you click on the link in my description and I get a commission. Or maybe you run a dog channel that encourages your audience to purchase an obedience training course like this one that pays $31 per sale. There are tons of examples, and in a moment I'm going to tell you about one of the biggest I've seen recently, especially if you're willing to learn some tech skills. Now bear in mind, for most of these products you don't need to be an expert or a guru, you just have to be you. Document your own journey. That's what I do on my own channel. Let's say that you want to make money promoting fitness products. You could have no expertise at all on nutrition, diet, exercise, but you are on a journey to lose weight and get fit yourself. So document what you find, the diets, the best exercises, the pains, the problems. Create videos that help other people. Show them that they aren't the only one that's struggling with their fitness. As you do, you can link to a fitness program or products that you offer which makes money each time they buy. These are just the tip of the iceberg. Some courses and software will pay you hundreds and potentially thousands in commissions. So if you're a small channel with only 100 subscribers, you only need one buyer. Potentially you could earn $100, $1,000 all for one sale. Trust me on this, because this is something I've been able to achieve myself over the last 12 months. I'm not an expert, I'm not a guru, and I'm just documenting exactly what I do as I learn all of these skills in digital marketing. And by doing that and teaching others, I've been able to make some huge life-changing commissions. Now, commissions of this size are called high-ticket affiliate marketing. Now, I promise to give you a real example of one particular product that is a great opportunity at the moment. A lot of people ask me for specific products they should focus on and YouTube channel ideas, so here's one for you. One that I actually spent a significant amount of my own money on this week, as did many others. In fact, this company actually recorded an epic sales day of $1.7 million, and their affiliates were making between 20 and 40% of each of those sales. Not bad for a day's work. The product is a new software as a service business, which is usually one of the best products to promote, as they're often recurring income or high ticket. It's called Groove, and they're making a big splash in an established and hungry market, threatening to dislodge some of the big companies like ClickFunnels and Kartra. Whilst the core product is building sales funnels and websites, they're also trying to make it an all-in-one tool with products for webinars, blogs, membership sites, video hosting, email marketing, and much more. Now, they're currently in beta mode and developing their products fast, which makes it a great time to jump in, and is one of the reasons why they've signed up thousands of people in a matter of months. Because it's not finalised and polished, a lot of the big affiliates haven't gone near it yet, so it's a great chance to jump in. And I can tell you that even after a few days of learning the system, there's a huge gap for knowledge and tutorials. Groove is creating software that can help so many different audiences, every imaginable group of business owners and entrepreneurs. Pick one audience and show how it can help them. It's an opportunity to be first on the scene, as there's really only a couple of people on YouTube creating related videos. Now, the best part is, as I record this, you can get an account with Groove for free. You can even use that free account to promote their software and earn 20% of whatever people pay. Paid members get 40%. Now, I doubt it will always be that way, but it is today. So I've left a link in the description so you can go and check that out. Now, that probably isn't a niche that you will all want to go into, but the principles are the same. Create content that helps people. Show them the products and services that can solve their problems. You earn commissions and you do it in an ethical way. Everyone wins. If you want to see more videos that will help you start a YouTube channel that makes money, then I've left the best ones in the description below. See you on the next video.